Hi students, our question says the following table gives us the lifetimes of neon lamps. Okay, so basically we are given lifetimes of neon lamps and this information is given in two columns to us, and we have to represent this given information with the help of a histogram. Now if you notice, the length of hours is given in a class interval 3 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600 and so on, and respect to each class interval we are given the number of lamps. Okay, so we have to represent this on a graph page. Okay, and then even answer the second question, that is how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours, which we will get after drawing our histogram. Okay, so in order to do this, let's take a graph paper first. On the graph paper we draw our x-axis and y-axis we mark a 0. We have to write the scale. Okay, now over on the, after writing 0, okay, on our y-axis each 1 centimeter represents 10 lamps. Okay, so that is 10 units, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Okay, because our minimum is 14 and maximum is 86, so we have considered 10 to 100. Okay, on our y-axis. Now when we come to our x-axis, we see that our minimum starts at 300 and ends at 1000. So we can take 0, 100, 200, 300, okay, 400 up to 1000. Or you can even start with 300, 400, 500 and so on. Okay, and then we start marking the first one, 300 to 400. If you notice, it is said 14. Okay, so we mark that. Then next 400 to 500 is 56. So we mark that. Then the third one, okay, 500 to 600 is 60. The help of scale we need to do all this. 600 to 700 is 86. So we mark that. 700 to 800 it is 74. 800 to 900 it is 62. So we mark 62. Then 900 to 1000 it is 42. Sorry. So we mark that 48, and with this we complete our first question, that is drawing of or representing of information with the help of histogram. Okay. Now our next question is how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. So we have to add everything which comes in the category of more than 700 hours. Okay, so let us see what we have to do. We have to add 74, 62 and 48. These three numbers, because these all come in the category of more than 700 hours. 74 plus 62 plus 48. And we get 184 lamps, and that is our answer. Okay.